Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import CSV data into Jupyter Notebook, a must-know skill for data analysis and machine learning projects. So let's get started. First, let us understand what is a CSV file. A CSV or a comma-separated values file is a simple text file used to store tabular data like a spreadsheet or database. Each line in a CSV file represents a row, and values are separated by commas or sometimes other delimiters like semicolons or tabs. So advantages of using CSV files. CSV files are plain text, making them easy to read and edit. Most databases, spreadsheets like Excel and programming languages support CSV, so it is widely used. Libraries like Pandas in Python make CSV handling effortless and easy to process. You can open CSV files in Excel, Google Sheets, database, or even Notepad, so it is compatible with many applications. Unlike Excel.xlsx, CSV files don't contain complex formatting, reducing file size. Now that we understand CSV files and their advantages, let's move on to importing them in Jupyter Notebook. Let me show you how to import a CSV file in Jupyter Notebook. So first we need to import the Pandas library, which is essential for handling data in Python. So to import Pandas library, we need to first write this command import Pandas. This is to import the library. So after we have imported Pandas as PD, the next step is to read the CSV file. So for that we need to load our data set. So for that I'm creating a variable df, and in that I'm using the command pd.read CSV, and then we need to write our file path name, and over here we need to use backslash instead of forward slash. So either we can place the file in the same directory as Jupyter, or if it is in a different directory, then we need to write the full file path name. So now to check if the data was loaded correctly, we can use the .head function. So what I'll do is I'll write df.head. Yes, so we can see that our CSV file has been loaded into Jupyter, and this is the first 5 rows of the CSV file that we have just loaded into the variable name df. So there you have it. Our CSV file is successfully loaded into a Pandas data frame. Now let us see how to handle file path issues. So if you see an error like file not found, then you make sure that the file name is correct, the file is in the right directory, or you are using the correct file path. And if the file is in a different folder, then you should provide the full path. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.